guys, what's up? It's Naomi the Crafty Savage here, and I'm back to show you how I kit up my diamond paintings. Say if they don't come with, like, you know, peel off stickers that I can put on my containers, because even though this already came in bags, I don't like working out of bags. It is not my thing. If that is your thing, great, fantastic. But even if you want to label your bags, you know, obviously you can cut this out. I mean, you can take Scotch tape and put it over it, you know, and tape it to the bag that way. What I do is I use my Xyron sticker maker. I make a couple copies, you know, just in case if I, you know, screw up. So I make 2 copies plus, you know, the one that it came with. So like I said, because there has been times I have screwed this up, ladies and gentlemen. Like, it's, believe me, it takes talent. I have that talent, right? So let's put these drills up over to the side. I would link this a diamond painting, but I don't think they carry it anymore. I am kitting up for Mermaids in Magic 2023. That is going to be starting here, I think, March 1st. So anywho, what you're going to need is, obviously, you're going to need some scissors, your paper. Get yourself, you know, a Xyron sticker maker. We're going to cut out, you know, if you want to, sometimes I do this, that way I go and I cut out, and I'll show you what I do, because obviously this whole thing is not gonna fit into my Xyron sticker maker, but I cut out the DMC code along with it, and yeah, and I'll show you what we do. So we just kind of cut this, make it nice and kind of pretty, and then I hold on to this, and I just stick it in my container at the top, so you know I know what painting goes with what. We're just gonna trim this off. I don't usually keep the little number. You know what? For poop sticks and giggle farts, I'm gonna do it. We're just gonna keep the number, right? All right, so let's cut this off. How are you guys doing today? Do you have a Xyron sticker maker? I know if you've been diamond painting for a while, you probably do. But if you're new to diamond painting, you know, this is how you can get your stickers for your containers. As I'm just flinging everything around, you know. And see, obviously, you're like, Naomi, it doesn't fit. Yes, I know. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the DMC part off, but I'm still going to turn it into a lovely sticker. Come on. Cut. Yes, I don't know. I love stickers. I can't work out of bags. I have to have my containers. So looking off the legend and trying to, yeah, no, I can't do it. I can't do it. So then all you're going to do is you just find, you know, the arrow. And like I said, it's got, you know, the little sticker thingamahoogie roll that you can buy. So you just stick that, you know, you want to try to put it in the middle there. Down in the middle. And you just kind of, mine's kind of old, so sometimes it gets a little temperamental, like I think it is now. And this is why we make 2. Yep, because it's getting temperamental. That's, whoop. We don't do that. This is what we don't do. All right, we don't do that. All right, Poppin', son of a biscuit eater. Come on. Feed through. We're just gonna, so in this video, I'm gonna give you, you know, what not to do, what to do. Do not do what I just did. Oh, dear Lord, baby Jesus, you will be here for a while. All right, we're gonna pause. Hey guys, so yeah, as you probably saw, I don't do what I do, so I'm just inserting this in here so I can show you actually the right way to load your Xyron sticker maker. This is my old cartridge that I ruined by twisting it the wrong way when it was stuck. I should have just, yeah, so don't do what I did, right? So this is, yeah, it's not trash, but I mean, I can still use it, but so I ran out and I got another adhesive cartridge for it. I think these are $7.99 at Hobby Lobby, right? So let's load this in here and I will show you the right way to load this, right? The right way. So you see, it's all beautiful, right? Beautiful. So, ooh, here I go. I'm just gonna slide this on. How's this going here? Come on. Slide that on in there. It just clicks in place. Toss this over to the side. This is, I've already kitted up the painting, but this is just like a whoopsie where it got cut off. So I'm just gonna, you know, just kind of quickly show you. We'll just kind of do this. The whole thing will fit in there. I'm just gonna kind of cut it to size so it will fit in the Xyron sticker maker. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm having a fabulous day here. In the next part of the video, oh, you guys are gonna have a laugh. But like I said, I wanted to at least put the right way on how to do it, you know? So you cut your paper legend out. And you see the arrow there, you wanna line that up in there, right? And then down here, you just pull this, and you just gently pull, and you see how easy that is? You will see how bad I screwed this up in the next part of the video, and you just pull it till it comes out. Rip it. Come on, whoop, there we go. And then what I like to do is I just kind of like to smooth it out before I take this clear part off. Right. Bada, oop, bada bing, bada boom. We're just gonna peel this off, and all the stickiness that like the paper didn't get, it's all on this. So just peel that off. Roll that in a ball. And bada bing, bada boom, you got yourself some, you know, labels that are stickers that you can just, you know, cut out. And just stick it, right? Stick it down there. Whoop. What I do like about these, now watch it not work, because I know I use Harbor Freight containers. I mean, and I press them down and they peel right up. You can press it down again. It peels right back up. No sticky residue. So there you go, guys. Again, I just wanted to hop on here, show you the correct way to use the Xyron sticker maker. Now we're gonna hop back to the next part of the video where I show you what not to do. Okay, so I'm back. So, whoop, me and this Xyron sticker, we are not getting along. So do not do what I did, because I just really screwed it up, and I just like, yeah, I just need to go out and buy another one of these, because when I was twisting it back, oh, I got the plastic and the glue part all sorts of funky wonky, but I can just buy a replacement of this. Very easy, it slides in. But normally, if you don't do what I just did, which I can't believe I did this. I've had this thing for like 4 years. That's the first time I ever did it. You would, you know, take your piece of paper and you would slide it in with the arrow down, and then it comes out here and you just pull it, right? And it kind of more or less comes out like that, you know, and you just flatten it down. Let me move that out of the way. And you just peel the plastic back. All right. So I have my DMC numbers here. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right. So I got my DMC numbers here, and then my symbols over here that I turned into stickers. And what I will do is I will show you how easy this is, right? So I ran it through the Xyron sticker maker. We're just gonna pretend like I did. Like I said, normally it's very, very easy. I'm just a dum-dum. So we're just going to cut that off. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. Peel. Come on. My hands are sticky. Peel this off, right? And it sticks. And we're just gonna stick it onto our container here. Bada bing, bada boom. It does peel off fairly easy as well. Ping, ping, boom. Put that on. And then what I do is I go and I cut the DMC number off if I can't fit it, you know, all in one. And I'll just put it on the side of my container. So that way when I go and I de-kit and I put them in bags, like to store them away, I can just put the symbol and the DMC number right on there. Very simple, very easy. Again, you know, just cut it off. Ping. I think I might redo this video once I go out and, you know, get another little roll of tape thingy-majigger for the Xyron sticker maker so you guys can see. I'll be like, how to really use a Xyron sticker maker, right? I don't know. Only me, right? So you just put it on there. Like I said, I just cut my DMC number off, and that is how you can make, when you get a paper legend, turn it into stickers. Just go out and get you a Xyron sticker maker and do not do what I did. Bada bing, bada boom. But I hope that makes sense. I just wanted to show that off to you. Again, just a little Xyron sticker maker. You can find them at Walmart. I think I got mine at Hobby Lobby. You can find them, you know, usually like in the scrapbooking section. Yeah, around there. Or I think in Hobby Lobby, this was like in the Cricut section. I don't know. You can find them around though. They have them, you know, you can get them smaller, bigger, or really big. Again, me and this Xyron sticker maker, we aren't getting along. But with that said, guys, I'm going to hop on out of here. I'm going to finish kitting this up, and I'll see you next time. If you're new to the channel and you like this kabumble fuss of a video, hit that subscribe button. I got more where that came from. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. And if you could, give this hot mess of a video a like. I would greatly appreciate it. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!